time to install the BAKBox2. There's the tray, and then there's the hardware bag, the multiple brackets, and the hardware. Here's the panels. Everything looks good. Install U-nuts on clamping bracket for BAK Flip install, which is what I'm doing. Install on side marked A. A is the short side. Looks like protrusion is out from the picture. Last but not least, okay. All right, so I measured it, and it looks like the rail nut I used for the cover, I pushed it as far forward as I could, and it's in line with this. Brackets are installed, and because I put those the clip forward, you can see that I was able to kind of center the bracket, which is ideal. It's probably one spot off center, but all things considered. Here's a look down the back of what's going on with the mounting. Same thing on the other side. So this is all tightened in now. It's sort of, yeah. Here's the proper orientation of the bracket when you put the nut. You can see that it's not as angled as the original images. So make sure that when you get the brackets installed that they look horizontal. Okay, so now we're gonna install the actual toolbox. Here are the, here's 4 of the Phillips head screws and nuts that hold the box onto the side brackets. And there's the other 4, so there's a set on each side. Okay, so the toolbox is in the closed position now. And it sort of folds over, so this piece folds in behind. Take it out. 1 Velcro strap. And another Velcro strap, and you can see how much room there is in the Sierra and how it mixes with the BAK Flip. So you do lose a little bit of bed depth if you're moving something tall, but you could still strap it up against here, and then when it comes time to collapse this, you simply release the Velcro strap, come around to the other side, Velcro strap, and then just need to get it, kind of push it back, and now it's collapsed away. So I've been real happy with this, actually. It'll hold all the tools I need to go racing. It holds a jack as well, and axle stand. The other thing that I like about this, as opposed to the factory toolbox, is there's more space underneath it when it's open. So you can fit the factory toolbox goes a lot deeper than this. Can't fit as much inside of the bed. So I like that about this toolbox as well, which is part of why I purchased it.